This video I'm going to show you step by step how you can add Instagram story highlights. So normally if you have a story posted on your Instagram account, it will be disappeared after 24 hours. But if you want to post a story and you want to keep it as long as you want, the story highlights are a great option. So there are two ways of getting the story highlights, and the first one is going to the Instagram app, and then under profile, as you can see right here, this is a story highlight, this as well, and this one as well. So if you have this new button over here, you can just hit it and here are the highlights. So for some channels or some accounts on Instagram, this option is not available. So what you want to do then is go to the top and hit the plus button at the top. Then this comes up and here you want to select story highlights. So let's hit story highlights, and as you can see, this is the same thing. Now you can just select any story you ever posted on your account. So for example, this one, then you can hit next. We can add a name, so test one, just as an example, and then hit done. And now as you can see, I've added the story highlight to my Instagram account. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.